So here is the alarm clock, remote control, and a transfer wire. So we have two connection modes here. So the first one, we do not use transfer wire. In this mode, that means you only can use the alarm lock. You cannot use the key lock. Now we show you how to connect for this mode. So here is the scooter's original wire. This one is for key lock. This one is from the controller. Now connect the alarm wire with the controller. We use the remote control. Okay, this one we switch on the scooter. Okay, so this button we have two functions. Switch off the scooter and set the alarm clock. Remove the alarm clock. So at this moment, you still cannot switch on the scooter. The key lock cannot use. You need to switch on the scooter with this button. Now, yes. Okay, so this button is to find where is the scooter. Okay, this is the first connection mode. The second one, you need to use this transfer wire to connect with the controller wire. And this one connect with the alarm clock. And the third one connect with the key lock. So now you can use also the alarm lock and the key lock. See. Now you switch off the scooter. Now we turn on. Okay. Turn off. Remove and reset. Okay, all other buttons is the same as the first mode. So here is all the alarm clock for 010X. So after you connect all the alarm clock wire, you can put the alarm and the wire inside the scooter. From here, put it inside. There has enough place. You can see. Okay. It's got the front light. No, it worked.